close up. Yeah. My baby. Skateboard there's some BMF shit too right here. They got a scene in Riverside Park over there by the basketball courts. I want to say, I don't know. I'm gonna do some shot lining up, but yeah, this bridge right here in the same exact park that I'm in right now. Yeah, Detroit. Oh, it is super windy today. BMF had a scene right there.
We gonna be kings, T. Kings of the motherfucking D, man. These niggas can't fuck with us. See it, touch it, obtain it.
Right here on Bell Isle. You already know. Detroit in my background. Yeah. The hole. Tricia. You see where the street kind of turns right there? That's where BMF is on this new outlet. You'll notice, like, especially if you remember watching the show, they filmed it all on this fucking road right here. That's the BMF house on the corner. And they use this porch a lot in a lot of the scenes. Oh,
This one?
yeah. Remember when he comes around? He comes around from right over there.
Oh, hell, I know that ain't my nigga.
Hey, it was cracking, rolling, roll. What up, though?
Ain't shit.
Meechy motherfucking Meech.
Shit, nigga, how long it's been? Like 2-3 years?
Sorry.
Cause look at that car in there.
I know, it's Mercedes Benz. Yeah. Yeah, BMF Mama house. Oh, I'm so nervous for you, really.
A hell of a lot. Being back across the street from where we grew up made me remember just how much.
We have it.
Dope. BMF. Yeah, me and my babe showing some respect to BMF, man. Grew up in this neighborhood, man. It's crazy. You see that Mercedes Benz? They still living right, man. Oh, the nicest motherfucking car on the block. Hell yeah. It's just dope. Me and my baby just Detroit, Michigan, Southwest, nigga. Home of Klepto. Like, Christopher on the BMF. I don't know.